This product took me only 10 minutes to upload to Etsy, 6 minutes to make, and 3 minutes to pack and ship. And it's made me over $450,000 in its 2 years in my Etsy shop. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 tools that have saved me hours of work every single day as an Etsy seller. And I've noticed that most beginner Etsy sellers are not leveraging these 3 tools. So today, I'm showing you how you can use them in your shop immediately. By the way, the third one is probably my all-time favorite marketing tool for 2024 and 2025. The first tool is a total game changer for anyone who wants to move fast and efficiently when creating listings, and this is Vela. Vela is an amazing tool that allows for mass updates to your shop, and a little secret, it allows you to have a longer character limit in your variations. It also allows you to transfer listings between Etsy shops, and it allows you to make mass updates to specific parts of your listings. So if Etsy's bulk updates aren't cutting it for you, then Vela is a really great option to look into. If you are at the stage of some massive updates, then I do recommend testing it out during their free 7-day trial. It also integrates with eBay and Shopify, and with this you can bulk edit attributes, and the price of Vela depends on the number of listings. If you have up to 250 listings, it's only $10 a month, and this is going to save you hours of work, especially as you're creating new listings. 500 to 1,000 listings, which was where I sat, I had about 918 listings. It was only $20 a month. Now, if you have multiple shops, you are paying for a Vela account per shop. Let's say you have 5 shops with 1,000 listings in each shop. You're not just paying for a total of 5,000 listings, you would be paying the $20 per shop. Now, there's a newer tool called Vela. It allows you to edit based on specific variations in price, and there is a long-term free usage option. So Vela, it's going to be at least $10 a month consistently after your free 7-day trial. If you want something long-term and always running, Vela would be a good one to look into. Now, when I sold my brand, I basically transferred this 922 listings over to a different shop here, and it took only 25 minutes to transfer everything to a completely different Etsy shop. Now, Vela is great for listing efficiency, but how about organizing your data so you can make smart decisions? That is where the next tool comes in, and it is Google Sheets. And if you really want to get fancy, then I recommend looking into Looker Studio. Looker Studio is part of Google Workspace, and it allows you to build dashboards. That is how we build dashboards for our coaching business, and it's just by connecting Google Sheets, and it creates these beautiful dashboards. So I would say if you are not going to take the time to become an expert in Google Sheets, then you will limit your growth because you're limiting how you manipulate data, which then is going to give you incomplete information to make decisions off of. For example, I sold floral letters, and we would stock these wooden letters in our shop. Now, there's 26 letters. We actually had 5 different sizes at the end, and I was trying to forecast how many of each letter and how many of each letter of each size I would need. So as you can see, I have each letter, each size. It imported the data from my orders directly from Etsy, and then it went and gave me a forecast of, okay, if I want 890, and then it changes these numbers to total 890. If I want, 200, then it would reduce all of these numbers, and they would be the right percentage of each number here. This was huge, and it really allowed me to not carry excess inventory that wasn't going to sell. So if you're a business owner, I highly recommend taking a class on Google Sheets or watching YouTube videos if that's your style, so that you can learn how to make data-driven decisions. Google Sheets also allows you to plan and forecast your sales and your profit, and you can also use Zapier to essentially create your own CRM in Google Sheets and then connect it to Looker Studio to create your own dashboards. So there is so much potential here once you learn to leverage Google Workspace, specifically Google Sheets. Now, the last tool creates huge efficiency in getting more orders and leads, and that is ManyChat. ManyChat is one of our team's top automation tools, and I think that any product-based business scaling their brand should be highly leveraging this. I'm actually shocked that more e-commerce brands do not, especially when you consider the importance of speed to lead and removing friction from the purchasing process. And also with Etsy, you can use your share and save links to send them directly to customers and save on those fees. As an e-commerce brand, I want you to use ManyChat like you are an influencer, driving them to strategic products. And this means you are strategically driving them to specific products. You're using it as a launch strategy and an engagement strategy. So you can see we have 15,000 active conversations in my ManyChat, 56,000 contacts. Okay, so when you click in, you will see we have all these different automations going. This is just the last 7 days. You can go ahead and look at all your live chat conversations with our team, all these conversations happening. You have Facebook and Instagram connected. started, let's say this is your Instagram and let's say you are trying to sell this zipper pull charm. You could say comment below 50 charm and I will send you a link to 50% off this listing. Okay. And then someone comments below charm. Here's an example, right? So we sent this out 1,200 times. So someone actually replies to the story, or they could comment on a post or reel. It will send them this message. You can see the click-through rate. Then you have to make sure they follow your Instagram account, and then it goes ahead and sends them this message. Make sure to follow, and you can see 71% click-through rate, really good. And then it sends them click the button. You'd say click the button to get access to 50% off and you'd put the code right here as well. And it saves you so much time. In terms of speed to lead, which is really important nowadays in this Amazon Prime e-commerce culture, you want to get them the link to purchase with the discount code ASAP. So we pay by seat and number of contacts used. So we're paying around, let's see, about $530 for the month. We are making way more than that. So features and pricing are all here. You could start with the free to play with it, especially if you have a smaller following and less engagement. If you would like to learn more about ManyChat and how to leverage it for your e-commerce business, definitely reach out to us in the one-on-one coaching and we're happy to help. Now, what if you are using these 3 tools, but you're still not seeing enough growth? Maybe you are selling to the wrong customer. Check out this next video for the top customers that I would recommend selling to on Etsy this year.